Sanbonani and welcome to the UBT football show. Igama lami uWendi wakwaNtshangase, and right next to me I have uMenceza AI. Unjani namhlanje?
Ngiphila kakhulu sibingelele kubabukeli bethu simthembisa futhi ukuthi sonilethele uhlelo olishisa kakhulu.
So the main focus yethu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume ngama team akwi-PSL, not one, not two, kodwa wonke. Right, and sasibonileke sebedlalile in the first half of the season. Sabona ukuthi abafana badlala kanjani, kunabafana basalile, kunabahambile, coach bafikile, abanye coach bahambile. So the main focus yethu namhlanje coach, right? Uyazi coach may take over a team, uthatha yonke into, abadlali, history ye team, performance yonke into, right? So sifuna find out ukuthi which coach is in the hot seat.
Interesting, yeah.
So again, ngifuna ukuthi siqale get top 8 yet. So siqala from number 8, which is Durban City. Injani performance yabo so far?
I would say for a team efikayo, it looks like bazo maintain ukuhlala kwe-PSL and ngiyalithanda ibhola labo. It's just that abekho consistent kangako bona, but ibhola labo lihle kakhulu. Ngiyabonakala ukuthi bazohlala kwe-PSL.
And uqinisile because kunabantu asebe kwi-PSL isikhathi eside, but they've been struggling to get into the top 8. So siyabona ukuthi they were able to get into the top 8 in just the first half of the season. Kodwa kunento ke esenginakile because bakwazile ukuthi bepromote kwi-PSL, but manje they changed the coach. Bathola uGavin Hunt. Gavin Hunt wahlala just a few games. He played, was it 12 games? He played 12 games and he won 6 of those games. But in December, wahamba. And the reason why they brought in uGavin Hunt, bachazile ukuthi uGavin Hunt une experience. Seke wawina ama-league titles, wawina nama-domestic cups. Okusho ukuthi nayo lonto le i-expectation ukuthi bafuna umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi abawinisa ama-cup. Even though befika, because Actus sikwazile ukuthi sibe nemagesi, ifika yakwazi ukuthi ithole i-Carling Cup. So it's not too far-fetched for i-team efika kwi-PSL ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina i-cup. So uyabona ukuthi nabo bebenakho lokho ukuthi okay, bafuna ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bewine i-cup. However, uGavin Hunt uhlale just 5 months and then babiza omunye coach. How do you feel about i-team ikwazi ukuthi mase sipromotile ishintshe coach?
Well, that's always the case, but kuya ngama levels. Obviously now if usendaweni ephansi uzosebenzisa leyo material onayo, but if usufika endaweni ephakeme uzofuna ukuthi upgrade nawo ukuze ubambe level leyo ndawo. So I don't blame ama team ngokuthi mangabe sefika ku-PSL athola abadlali abane experience ku-PSL. It's just that I'm worried ngendaba yokushintshwa ko coach kalula emathimini amancane. Yeah, ngiyaunderstand ukuthi phela asuke worried nge-relegation, but I'm just curious ngendaba zama contracts ukuthi isuke ithini i-contract ngempela ka coach uma ngabe ucoach ezosheshe axoshwe eteamini. Sikubonele kwenzeka kwi-Chipa coach bexoshwa nje kwaze kwa complain abantu abaningi ukuthi hayibo wavuka manje uqashiwe kwi-Chipa kusasa usuxoshwe kwenzakalani. Yabo, I'm just curious ngendaba zama contracts ukuthi i-contract ka coach isuke ithini uma ngabe umdlali ucoach ezosheshe axoshwe fast uxoshwa ne-contract yakhe yaqhubeka imholele yini team uma ngabe engasekho. I'm just curious, you know.
Nami, I'm not sure. Kodwa futhi ke, what about loyalty? If ucoach ukwazile ukuthi apromote i-team yakho to i-PSL, uyawazi ama-players sikephi isidingo sokuthi akhishwe leyo coach loyo? Because manje buka bamtholile ucoach omusha but uhlale 5 months sebebiza omunye.
It's business. Team i-business. So if ucoach ngeke uzuthi uzofuna ukuthi ube loyal wena ngokuthi ucoach unise ku-PSL. If usubona ukuthi ku-PSL akalibamba izinga lakhona, I think it's business. Kumele ukuthi bamdedele ucoach. So ngeke ngize ngibablame kakhulu. It's just that mina into engiworried ngayo ukusheshe babashintshe fast kakhulu ucoach. Ababanikezi i-chance ngokubuka kwami abayideservayo. I would say that with uZwane kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, I feel as if akanikezwanga kahle i-chance ukube namanje usakhona. Mhlawumbe ngabe sesiyabona ama-results akhe ne-philosophy yakhe since vela ngama young stars. So I believe nakhona futhi kulama team amancane mele bathi kubanikeza kancane ucoach ithuba bangasheshe babaxoshe fast because kunzima ukubuild isquad.
But then manje in a space of 6 months they have 3 coaches. Sebe no coach about 3.
That's my concern.
Do you think in the second half of the season bazokwazi ukuthi beqhubeke be progress or bedlale ngalendlela abadlala ngayo be maintain? Because wonke ama team afuna ukuba kwi top 8. Mase siqiniqinisa ayikho team engafuni ukuba kwi top 8. Do you think izothi phela isizon bazobe besa kwi top 8 njengoba sebeshintsha coach kanje?
Well, it depend ukuthi badlala nobani. If they will play against ama team njengo alawo awi bottom 8, oMagesi nalawa amanye ama-team esingabalo Opic College, I think bazowathola o3 points there and there because akhona ama-team obona ukuthi ku-PSL awu3 point babuye babadedele kalula yabo. So I think bazokwazi ukuthi bayi-maintain, but ne-Golden Arrows ayibekile futhi phansi iyafuna ukubuyela laphana kwi-top 8, so kuzoba nzima kakhulu. I wouldn't say kuzoba lula, kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi bakwazi.
Kodwa into emele sicabanga ukuthi games in hand don't mean points in hand. Sabona na kwi-Orlando Pirates asitsho so okay basanama games in hand basazokwazi ukuthi bethole labo 3 points, but azange kuze kwenzeke lokho.
Yeah, ingozi kakhulu indaba ama-game in hand. Yeah, akusiyona into ongayigaranta futhi ine-pressure phakathi.
Yeah. And then let's just move on to number 7, right, which is iPolokwane City. Performance yabo so far kanjani?
Ngiyalithanda ibhola la coach wayo iPolokwane City. I always say he is my favorite coach. It's just that I have this belief ukuthi ukube ucoach onebala elimhlophe ngabe uratewa njengocoach abakhulu kakhulu eSouth Africa ngokubuka ibhola lakhe. Kuyasetshenzela ukuthi ube ucoach omnyama mase uba ucoach oratewa njengocoach omkhulu eSouth Africa. Opitso bakusebenzele, oRulani bakusebenzele kakhulu, ocoach Manqoba Mnqethi bakusebenzele kakhulu. Akukho lula ukuba ucoach omkhulu. Siyabona noZwane nabo uyabona ukuthi bastructure kanjani ukuratewa njengocoach abakhulu. So lo coach lona owePolokwane City, I believe ukuthi there is something kuyena especially ngalendlela ukuthi ukuba unebala lemhlophe ngabe userate njengocoach abakhulu eSouth Africa. He is good. I think uyakudeserve ukuthi abuya anikeze chance ukuthi kulamanye ama team amakhulu athi kuyoshine khona simbone ukuthi ibhola lakhe linjani.
Okay. Ucoach omkhulu wena umrate ngani? Silverware, position kwi league, umrate ngani? Because manje okay ngiyakuzwa okay sokhuluma ibala nan and to some point or to some extent ngiyakuzwa.
I think it's something that we need to do away from la South Africa ukuthi vele ucoach simrate ngokuthi even abadlali not ucoach kuphela ukuthi sibarate ngokuthi badlalela lama team esithi ama team amakhulu yini. I think it's something that ekufanele si do away from siyama South Africans ukuthi umuntu omkhulu ngoba nakho esecoach ay team enkulu. I can say he is a big coach right now because ubukeka sengazi ukuthi iPolokwane City uzoyimaintainisa i-standard sakho PSL iyohlezi ikhona kwi top 8 kwi top 80. So I would say he is a big coach. It's just that kukhona kuthina sama South Africans ukuthi ucoach omkhulu, ucoach ocoach iPirates, iKaizer, iSundowns, yeah, kukhona lokho kuthina yabo. So that is why nami bengithi mhlawumbe if engaya kulawo ma team uyoratewa njengocoach omkhulu because ikhona leyo belief, but it's something that we need to do away from as South Africans.
Yeah, no ngiyakuzwa uthini, but then ne performance ya iPolokwane City is not too bad. Ba performa kahle because last season baqeda 7th position, so performance yabo it's not too bad. Bakwazi ukuthi bengene kwi top 80 and uyabona futhi nama games abawina ukuthi yeah man they are able to actually perform, but ngiyakuzwa
it's a team that is unpredictable mangabe uzodlala nayo. Angeke uze usho ukuthi iPolokwane City uzovela uyishaya nje, even neSundowns bonile ukuthi ya struggleisha ukuthi ishaye kalula, so akusiyona team ongavela uyithathe kancane ukuthi uzoyishaya. So ingakho ngithi ibhola lakhe ucoach lihle kakhulu and ombuka makuthiwa i-team yakhe ibikade ilidwa mesebuya ngesecond half uyakubona ukuthi khona into asuke iapplyile kubadlali because uyakwazi ukuthi abuye, so strong kakhulu lapho. No ufana no coach wayi Orlando Pirates uyakwazi ukuthi mangabe elidiwe ngefirst half abuye ngamasub azomenza ukuthi akhave noma ayiwine igame. So I believe in that coach kakhulu.
Singasho ukuthi ama tactics akhe or the way abane connection ngakhona nabadlali.
Ngathi wacoacha kakhulu iKasi football indlela ane connection ngayo ngabadlali yabo. Ulo coach obathandayo abadlali futhi obelievelayo kubona okwenza umsebenzi wakhe ubelula kakhulu yabo. Une connection enkulu nabadlali ngokumbuka kwami futhi une impact enkulu kakhulu kwi performance yabadlali bakhe indlela abadlala ngayo.
So mase sibuka ke kama games abo they've won 6 games, right? 3 losses nama draw 5, and then mase sesithatha sesibuka kwi transfer market yabo bathathe kakhulu kwi defense, okusho ukuthi even though benama draw 5 nama losses out 3 they still think ukuthi kunesizathu sokuthi bekwazi ukuthi besign amanye ama defender because siyabona ukuthi there's a lot of defenders who have been signed. Singabala o Ayabonga Maning abasayiniwe. We have Kaugelo, which is a central midfielder. Uthabiso Ngwenya, he's also midfielder, and then we have Surprise Matonzi, who's also a right back. Ayabonga ke bese ngimbalile na we left back. Okusho sibabona ukuthi kunesizathu sokuthi why bedraw kangaka, and maningi ama team abulawe kakhulu ama draw esingabala kuyona Mamelodi Sundowns, but since isesicongweni sogcina ngayo.
Perhaps mangabe ukhuluma ngokusayina kwabo kwama defender kakhulu, we need to look into amagoli abawaconsidile ngoba kungenzeka ama game amanye niwawina niwadraw, but mabebuka indlela abaconsider ngayo amagoli bayabuka ukuthi no kwi defense yethu, even though si more effective, even though sikwazile ukumaintain ukuba kwi top 8, but let us look into our defense ukuthi sikorelwa kangakanani, ama draw angaba khona, ama win angaba khona, but sikorelwa kangakanani thina. Kubalekile kakhulu lokho ukuthi mangabe ucoach ubuye ibheke izinto enjengalezo, ingakho ke ngicathi besayinise ama defender amaningi. Mhlawumbe ubukile ucoach ukuthi no siya consider kakhulu amagoli, ake siqiniseni kakhulu kwi defense ukuze khona sokwazi ukuthi si maintain ukuthi singakorelwa kakhulu.
And Polokwane is able to actually win against ama-team amakhulu, and singasho ukuthi ama-expectations ama-fans ukuthi beqhubeke behlale kwi-top 8, be comfortable kwi-top 8, hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe uciciyele number 7 because anything can happen. Singasho ukuthi bona kahle kahle ama-fans ama-expectations abo ukuthi bebe comfortable kwi-top 8.
Angaba khona ama expectations, but looking at iPSL overall ama team awayibekile phansi, angeke uzokwazi ukupredicta ukuthi even though ufisa wena ukuthi uhlale kwi top 8, but angeke uzokwazi ukuthi ukupredicta lokho ukuthi uzoba comfortable yini. Akekho umuntu ocomfortable laphana manje. Uprincipal kusasa usudima uthi usuyiclean, ungaphaphamusa ku number 12 manje ubukuthiwa iteam enkulu, so into leyo ongeke uzipredict. Kwayithina lama team lawo eswapraiseayo amakhulu, wow ungaphaphama manje siko number 10 ngiphathi makuthiwa nama game in hand, hayi akukho lula kangako kwi-PSL.
Anoqinisile. And then sidlulele ku number 6, which is AmaZulu, Atazwana. Uyibambe kanjani i-team uArthur?
I think yena as a coach obelivela kakhulu kuma young stars. Ngeke ngasho naseqaleni ngathi kube wanikeza opportunity Kaizer Chiefs, ngabe siyawubona umehluko njengamanje. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs ibambe kahle ngoba ikhona la ko number 2 number 3, but I believe in his football and I believe ekupromoting kwakhe from uDDC ukuthi kuzoba nomehluko omkhulu kakhulu. Siyambona ukuthi uyapromote, siyabona futhi ukuthi bayayithenga intwana ezincane from ama league njengo SAB yabo oPatrick Motsepe ya league. So lokho kuhle kakhulu because kuyathembisa ukuthi sine future kwi football ya South Africa if sino coach ababelivelayo ezintwaneni ezincane. So kuhle kakhulu akwenzayo, nginethemba lokuthi futhi imphumela yakho izoba mihle kakhulu because football overall ungaya emhlabeni wonke kuyabelivela kakhulu kuma young stars, and ayathenjwa ama young stars ukuthi if umuntu esamncane angaba right kakhulu for i-team, angayinikeza okukhulu i-team.
Nanokuthi I feel like bona bane combination right between youngsters nabantu asebekhulile who are seniors. Siyabona ozungu baningi esingasho ukuthi and they actually seniors, so bengakwazi ukuthi beba guide. Yes, so ngabona ukuthi okay bengakwazi ukuthi beba guide because kulula ukuthi usuke from ABC and then usuyangena kwi-PSL uthola ukuthi okay insimbi yashisa. Yabo, but it's also good ukuthi bane balance strong between the two.
I believe ukuthi ukusayina kwakhe abantu abanjengozungu nokulethwa umthethwa ubefuna kona ukuthi kube khona phela leyo experience ekhona ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bayiguide intwana. So lokho kuhle kakhulu, i-experience always count njengoba shilo naseqaleni ukuthi ama team ayakwazi ukuthi apromote ucoach osuke ehlathini athi efika amdedele makuthi aperform ngaso. So i-experience always counts kuyona yonke into. So I think iyona leyo nto yenza ukuthi bawalethe lama soccer players ane experience eningi ukuze khona azokwazi ukuthi aqinise nezintwana nje idolo. Ne motivation nje eqhamuka kulama players asuke kade dlalela ama team amakhulu iyaba inhle eteamini because ayakwazi ukuthi awa motivate ama young stars ukuthi aperforme kahle groundini.
And siyabona ukuthi nabo futhi one of the teams abasayine kakhulu kwi defense, right? Yes, the defense yabo can be solid, get depend ngama game because sabona nomthethwa in his debut game wakwazi ukuthi akore goal which was a long shot, a very beautiful goal. So it was really impressive to also see ukuthi I defender iyakwazi na ukuthi ibe impressive kanje, especially since wayekade egcinile ukudlala ama game. So now we are born good. Okay, they signed a lot. We have Keegan Allen, oyi centre back. Siyambona na Wandile Dube, he's also signed. Uonke Ngama, baningi abasayiniwe, which means now they also want to focus on the defense.
Kubuya sengazuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ukuyimaintaina i-top 8 so ingakho besayine kakhulu ama-defender it's because abafuni ukuconsider kakhulu ama-team because are-worried ngokuthi azodropha fethu so ngikushayela ihlombe mina ukusayina kakhulu kwi-defense if ubone ukuthi vele kumele usayina kwi-defense I think nabo abanye abantu ababuyele kwi-drawing board babuka amagoli abawaconsider babuka ukuthi no akhona ama-mistake akhona kwi-defense yethu ake siqiniseni kwi-defense yethu so ngiyakushayela ihlombe lokho abakwenzile ukuthi baqinise kwi-defense yabo fethu uma ukuthi vele bebekade bedinga kakhulu i-defense.
So baqede ku number 6 last season. Ucabanga ukuthi le season bazoyiqeda ngoba what can we expect from AmaZulu? Ucabanga ukuthi kumele yini esimele si expect from AmaZulu kule second half of the season?
I would say they are going to maintain fethu judging from football yakhe uAtazwana fethu I would say they are going to maintain bazohlala nje kwi-top 8 bangashoni phansi but angeke guarantee ukuthi ku number 6 mhlawumbe bazonyuka yabo kunzima kakhulu fethu iyashisa insimbi lama team lawa a-ratewa njengama team amakhulu afuna ukuhlala lapha yana ayibange i-league title lokho awafuna ukuthi kube khona igap enkulu njengasekuqaleni liyayenzeka kwiMamelodi Sundowns so nje ayihleli ibhampa ngempela afuna ukwenza sure ukuthi iwona abangayo kulokho of which it's going to be interesting kuzobuyela kulento endala ekade ikhona ukuthi ama team abange ngavele kusuke kube khona i-team ezovela ivula igap so ngeke sikugarante ukuthi izonyuka iye phezulu izomaintaina nje la khona ko number 7 number 6 but angiyiboni inyuka mina kunzima kakhulu.
Hey so Atazwana uzohlala number 6 or number 7?
Yeah that's my guess ukuthi uzohlala lapha angiyiboni inyuka yashisa insimbi phezulu.
Yani sibonile neKaizer Chiefs nayo inyukile currently number 3 but sisazofika kubona cela ukuthi ke sidlulele kwi-TS Galaxy au number 8 coach Adnan ubona ukuthi ba performa kanjani?
They performing well engakusho nje kakhulu ngabo ukuthi I'm so happy ngokuthi kunentwana uPhuso Ditshejane ohambile waya kweteam kaMbokazi phesheya lokho kuhle kakhulu engakusho ukuthi ngiyakujabulela ukuthi kwenzeke ukuthi umdlali asuke from i-team eratewa njenge-team encane njengoba ngishilo ukuthi asuke khona aye phesheya lokho kusho ukuthi i-team iperforma kahle kakhulu ngoba kuzoyifakela namehlo leyo team leyo ukuthi lo mdlali usuka kuphi uyoyirepresenta la yakhona so lokho kumele ukuthi kube into eqhubekayo ukuthi umdlali asuke nje from i-team encane aye phesheya ngoba lokho kuzoliphamisa kakhulu ibhola le-South Africa ingahlezi kuthiwa ama-high performers ase-South Africa asuka ko-Sundowns no-Kaizer yabo nathi sinabo abadlali la kwe-Golden Arrows esibhilivelayo ukuthi bazosuka from i-Golden Arrows baye straight phesheya engabala kubo OK Master engabala kubo uNdlovu abadlali labo ababonakalayo ukuthi beza na something kwi-PSL and bangasuka baye straight phesheya lokho ngishayela ihlombe kakhulu so overall ngingasho ngithi i-performance ya TS Galaxy inhle kakhulu if izokwazi ukuthi ikhiqize ama players akwazi ukuthi aba ama star players asuke straight aye phesheya angayi koKaizer no Pirates so iya-compete nawo lawo ma team if ikwazi ukwenza njalo.
Mesusubala no Ditshejane ngiya-understand ukuthi thina however mesusu checka kahle transfer market yabo uyabona ukuthi they're not really a competitive team bayadayisa you know and they didn't buy much players or more players even though ubona ukuthi imali khona because they were able to sell Puso to MLS so it really looks like by a team that's just playing and selling not really competing. So do you think ukuthi bazo improve in the second half of the season?
If bedayisa kakhulu angeke mfethu uyayikhumbula ukuthi neSuperSport United yaba uIBlues kanjani idedela abadlali ama-stars amaningi asuka kuyona iSuperSport singaphinde futhi sibale neStellenbosch iStellenbosch has been selling ama players and ibuke manje ukuthi kephi they are struggling baze badedela ngisho coach I believe mina ama results poor performance yayo ukudedela kakhulu abadlali mfethu of which mhlawumbe sebengabuya ke manje njengoba sebebuyise abadlali abanjengoma basa ethimini ukuthi bazolekelela ngibabonile ukuthi basayinile nabo futhi nginethemba lokuthi bazobuya kwi-top 8 but lento yokudedela ama players kakhulu ethimini hayi mina angiyithandi kangako even though phela i-team kuyibusiness yabo kumele ukuthi li-operate ngokuthi lifake imali but le yokudedela kakhulu ama players ngibuye ngingayithandisisi kahle inomgozi kakhulu sikubonile kwenzeka ko-SuperSport o-iBlue wethu uthola ukuthi i-team ayisaperform kahle ngenxa ukuthi idedela kakhulu ama-stars ayo abadlali kumele bakhule yes siyavuma but phela na i-team kumele ibe nakho uku-understand ukuthi ibe nokugreed nyana okuncane ingathi sheshi badedele bonke abadlali.
AI uthe iStellies singangena kwi-top 8
Singabuya from isniper ngiyasithemba kakhulu so singabuya isniper sithe sifika ubonile nje salishaya inqaku even though kube ne deflection kulela bhola kungathi on goal akusiyona on goal isniper lesa isniper ngiyasithemba ingabuya.
So Mabasa can carry the team I5 with top 8.
Yes. Ubedinga umuntu obezokholelwa kuyena simbonile leading goal scorer ngithi simbonile leading goal scorer so I believe ukuthi sniper singayibuyisa kakhulu lo muntu udinga umuntu ozomphasela ibhola kuphela manje ocoach ke they always believe ukuthi istriker kumele sipress istriker kumele sidlale kakhulu ibhola mina ngiyakholelwa kakhulu istrikeni ekuthiwa mihla budle shaya inqaku sebenze striker mina ngokwami ukuthi sifunzwe shaya igoli kuphela but ibhola lamanje selishintshile ocoach bayakholelwa kakhulu kulento ukuthi striker kumele sidlale kumele sipress simbonile engabizwe ngisho nayo Hugo Bruce ku national team usniper but mina I believe omunye we-striker enzima kakhulu eSouth Africa. It's just that we are hungry for ama-strikers anzima. It's been a while la khona esaba khona ne-striker esingathi sishaya amagoli njengoBenny Makhata ababekade befinisha kakhulu. But isniper I believe ukuthi isniper ngempela yabo. Ku-Stellenbosch sizokuprova lokho.
Ngiyamthemba bo. Okay, cool. Gagos. And then let's move on to Isikhukhune, which is currently number 4. Simbonile Eric Tinkler efika in the middle of the season. Mobuki performance have kanjani?
Eric Tinkler I would say umazi nje kwakhe nje from Orlando Pirates he is a good coach. I'm not surprised ukuthi isiko number 4 because he is a good coach. Ibhola lakhe lihle kakhulu. So I believe enye ke ye team leyo engithi mina amaZulu angeke aze akwazi ukuyi-overtake aye lapho because ngiyalazi ibhola la Eric Tinkler and ngiyamazi ukuthi ucoach oyifayithelayo iposition yakhe so I believe ukuthi uzokumaintain ukuba lapha ko number 4 kunalokho anganyuka mawukuthi kanjani so awabheke lama Giants lawa ama-team amakhulu esiwarate njengama team amakhulu ukuthi angawa-overtake unzima kakhulu la coach sakhumbula ukuthi uke wathi ukuhlala khona la ko number 2 number 1 so nje usenganyuka futhi.
So ke singasho ukuthi ama-fans esikhukhune bafuna ukuthi bebe comfortable le phezulu kodwa bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi ba stable lapha phezulu.
Abagagameli futhi mabenza njalo ibhola lesikhukhune liyakudeserve ukuthi babanga league. Ngingakusho lokho uma uzodlala nesikhukhune uyazi na ukuthi awukhululeki ujuluka ngempela uma kubuzodlala nesikhukhune akusiyona i-team ongayigaranti ifana naye eMarumo Gallants akusiyona i-team ongayigaranti ujuluka ngempela uma uzodlala nazo so I would say if ama-fans ayo expecte ukuthi ibange i-league title awagagameli ngempela kufanele kube njalo ngoba i-team eperforma kakhulu mfethu.
Okay, and Isikhukhune is playing against Orlando Pirates namhlanje. And sibonile futhi ukuthi ama-fans akhona amincile. Ama-fans ayi Orlando Pirates even though Orlando Pirates is performing well but siyabona ukuthi ama-fans amincile. So lokho kushoyo is really true about Isikhukhune and also the coach is under a lot of pressure mase kuza nge-CAF. Do you think he's capable?
It's going to be a crucial game. Remember ukuthi Eric Tinkler bekade coach avele phambelini Orlando Pirates so there's always going to be that ukuthi I'm playing against the side engingade ngilicoacha ngifuna ukuprove ipoint so it's going to be a tough match. Vele Orlando Pirates mayidlala nesikhukhuna ngeke uzoguarantee ukuthi kuzowina abani so it is going to be a tough game. Igame ongeke uzipredict ngisho iscore ukuthi kuzoba by score because it will surprise you. Isikhukhune ngiyakutshela sibekile kakhulu phansi mfethu.
And then with CAF Confederation, do you think Uguti can't be able to make it? Because the pressure nayo le Uguti, even though isilverware ngayitholanga this season, and it does look like ileague ngeke azayithola. Even though we can't count him out, but seems like ngeke azayithola. Do you think Uguti with CAF uzokwazi ukungena?
No why akulula kangako fethu it's tough ukuthi angangena but let us give him credit sithi angakwazi ukuthi angene.
And in the second half of the season, bazowenza njani?
I would say bazokumaintaina lokho abanakho njengamanje. Babuya njengabantu abazokumaintaina because njengoba ngishilo ngathi they are very unpredictable and they are a strong team. So I would say bazokumaintaina lokho abanakho.
And they were able to also finish 4th last season. So I also think ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi be remain. Into engaxoxisi
banganyuka kunokuthi ba drop.
Yes, ngisathi ngizosho ukuthi benganyuka instead of ukuthi ba drop so they are comfortable in the top 8 bazongena vele ku top 8 but then sekuwukuthi ke manje ke izophila ileague bekubani. Do you want to predict?
I would say number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 1?
bakhona bazodisappointa lapha nabane excitement eningi kakhulu bakhona bazodisappointa angifuni ukuthi ngithe kodwa bakhona bazodisappointa lapha yana looking at performance yabo I would say by overrate bona and ngeke baze bahlale la bakhona so mina I believe isikhukhule sizonyuka bethu it's number 3 engesinikeza wona yeah
okay I know ngiyakuzwa and then Kaizer Chiefs amakhosi currently number 3 kwenzakalani ngamakhosi
for me I would say ama signings mfethu hayi ama signings ayo awafuna ukusayina abadlali abama favorites abathandwa ama fan yabo abafuna ifuna umdlali nje maye kwathiwa engathi angaya kwiKaizer khohle ngeke azaye khona and ke ama fan ayo agcina senalenkolelo yokuthi no kune sabotage mhlawumbe ama team mayike yathi iKaizer iyamfuna umdlali imthatha kuqala ngeteam I don't think so I think sikubonile kulo njengoba tekuvule window ukuthi abasayinanga kufanele ama fan ayo abone ukuthi akusikho lokho ingoba vele nabo basuke baqinisa kakhulu ikhanda when it comes to ukusayina abadlali ama favorites kunalokho bangavela suke manje bayilandela umdlali mhlawumbe ozotshela ukuthi wase island ethile onegama elide eligcwele ijezi ngemuva yabo umuntu umdlali engathi ingozi umdlali afika ngenze lutho yabo babalandile kakhulu labo badlali bagcwele kwiPSL bahleli futhi uyabona ukuthi abafuni emazweni abo bahleli la eSouth Africa ngoba siyabagcina abantu abanjengalabo la eSouth Africa abazodala inkinga nje abadala isiphithiphithi esingena sidiko yabo
le part eshow yama favorite players so usho ukuthi sporting director sihlale singene ku Twitter noma ku TikTok and search ukuthi ama fans afuna muphi umdlali mawuthi favorites what do you mean favorites
I would say abadlali abafana nabo oSiphombuli bekade kushiyo kuthiwa engathi angaya kwiPFN wangaya I would say abadlali abafana naye Apolisi bekade kushiyo kuthiwa uyahalela kwangaya kwiPFN yabo ibona bonke labadlali labesibabona kubafana njengamanje abebekade best stranded abanye babo kodwa bagcina sebewele kwamanye ama team bangaya kulona iPFN so iPFN ngathi khona lo muntu othi I will go against my fans I will make sure ukuthi I go against because umuntu ongathi uyi favorite osanda kufika kwiKaizer Chiefs umayo uyathandwa umayo yabo umdlalo oshayinayo kakhulu uyena umdlalo engisambonile ofike kwiKaizer oshayinayo and I believe ukuthi usazoyenzela iKaizer futhi umayo ngiyakholelwa kakhulu kuyena it's just that phela kwenzekala incident kulikhipha liphakathi yabona walikhipha liphakathi so njoba likhipha liphakathi nje ikhona lento yokuthi abantu bangakholelwa kakhulu kuyena bane and abafuni ukumnikeza ichance manje mina I believe ukuthi usazobenzela umlingo sibonile futhi khona nomdlali ekuthiwa Mabasa I think bampromoting yeah umdlalo lwana engimbukayo futhi ukuthi umdlalo osazoyenzela ngempela iKaizer from his first game ngimbonile ukuthi alentwana le isazoyenzela kakhulu iKaizer ngiyakholelwa kakhulu kuyena ukuthi kuningi azoyinikeza kona iKaizer
but I need us to also understand ukuthi us now ama credible sources afana no Fabrizio abazokwazi ukuthi bekutshela ukuthi okay le team ifuna usibani it's always hearsay sabona nepost ukuthi Mabasa yakhe iKaizer Mabasa bangaya kwiKaizer wa kwiStelis so uyabona ukuthi kwase sengine-post sebenzile yonke leyo nto leyo but you do understand ukuthi kuba khona umuntu who just makes up something and also ama deals they may not always work out ngisho nalabo suke sekukhulume bona Fabrizio babuya besitshela ukuthi no ideal ayihambanga kahle
abantu bahlezi masebedelela abantu ngalokho bathi usayina ko Facebook usayina ko TikTok kodwa usayini phansi abokuhlezi kukhwa ngalokho but akhona ama source akhona ama page afana nama journalist esoccer athi mangabe ekhulumile uwazi ukuthi into izokwenzeka ngempela noma ngeke ngize ngiwamention ngamagama but akhona ama page owazi ukuthi makuthiwa kunezingxoxo between iKaizer nobani uyazi ukuthi ngempela lo nto uyayithemba ngoba ephuma kona so akhona it's just that abantu basuke benama expectations yabo ukuthi ngiyamhalela Mabasa ukuthi aye kwiKaizer yabo ama expectations yeah not
baseqaleni
yes not ukuthi umsabawela umdlali and iyahlekisa ke lento yokusabawela abadlali emathimini ngoba umdlali ngesikhathi edlalela i-team o against yona I'll make an example ngoTito is the most criticized player in South Africa
yeah
most but yabo manje bukezwa kuthiwe uTito yakwiKaizer
Azojabula.
ungezwa kahle ungezwa bemhayiphisa bethu ikhona leyo nto le South Africa ukuthi umdlali nothi ukuthi usuke ebheda ingoba phela vele kumele sikwayelana ukuyibone le nto nejezi yabo nje manje mase kuthiwa kuphuma amajezi amasha lizohwayela ijezi noma ngathiwa lihle kangakanani so ihlezi ikhona leyo nto leyo but for abadlali umdlali nothi ukuthi usuke eyinkinga kangako mangabe kuleyo team leyo basuke bemfuna wombuka mase kuthiwa useya kuyona le team laba abayisupportayo uma basa manje kade bemgxeka kodwa ngeke ngesikhathi kukhona ama rumors bemgqokisa ijezi ngama AI la eCase ha bese kuyisnipe uma basa wangaya khona bakhohlwa yena basomgxeka manje njengoba beselila lapha kwiStellenbosch.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa. So what would you say ama expectations ama fans?
Hayi phela
Right
onkulunkulu
now.
bama expectations la uma usukhuluma ngaba expectations onkulunkulu bama expectations yabo nje ngokwabo nje hayi fethu ngiyakutshela bazothatha isho iligi ngokwabo nje iligi no matter mina fethu I love ama fans eKaizer indlela athanda ngayo iKaizer fethu ngiyabathanda yabona akekho umuntu yabo mangathiwa nami nginomfazi onothando njengama fans eKaizer hayi mfethu hayi ngathatha ngisho isithembu ngoba ngeke azabe nankinga yabo abantu labo abayithanda iTeam bayayithanda mfethu angifuni ukudlala ngawe ngisho iKaizer ingadliwa ama game awu3 idraw kwenye bazocomplain abacomplain bayidube bangayibuki ayibona ke wina u2 bayawina u2 hayi sinikezeni Manchester City manje and uyabona ivibe ngisho usebenza uma usemsebenzini yabo uyayifeel ipressure uyajuluka makuthiwa iKaizer iwineka u3 kulandelana uzwa kahle wonke umuntu ngisho iclean oshanelayo uzoshanela eduze kwakho athi usibonile izona athi uyibonile le ntwana leya next thing le ntwana le siyaboza futhi sebethenya yabo abantu nje fethu abayithandayo and ngibashayela ihlombe ngiyabancoma kuloko ama fans fethu kumele ukuthi abasupport abadlali fethu kakhulu i-team ayisupport so ngiyakuthanda lokho abakwenza ngigxeki mfethu into enhle kakhulu I wish wonke ama team angaba njalo yabo ukuthi nje ayithanda i-team akholele kubadlali bayo ingakho nje nathi la kula Monvin sizama ukuthi sibhidle lento ukuthi ama fan ethu siwabone egroundini abemaningi abathanda abadlali bethu and ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi nathi in the future sobe sasirate njenge team enkulu ngoba sibhizi ngalokho nje silwa nalokho nje and kuzoba into enhle kakhulu mase sibona iTheku lonke eselisupporta iGolden Arrows as i-team yaseThekwini.
uMonyane, do you think uzokwazi ukuthi aperforme kahle even though he's injury prone? Do you think ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi aqhubeka aperforme kahle kwiKaizer Chiefs?
I believe uzoperforma kahle ngeke ngabuka ama video akhe ngesikhathi kwakade ebuya kwi-injury wekade ikhombisa ukukhulu ukuthi ujima kakhulu wekade ekhombisa kakhulu ukuthi uyimisele ngokuthi ayifayithele yabona mangabe usunikezwe i-second chance ethimini enkulu impilo mangabe ikunikeza i-second chance kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyibamba ngezandla zombili so if engamphazamisanga ama-injury I believe ukuthi usazobuya aperforme kahle kakhulu ngiyakholelwa kakhulu kuyena.
I know ngiyakuzwa. And then iNedbank Cup bazokwazi ukuthi bekwazi ukuyiprotect
mabe ngasizwanga onompempe babe ngasizwanga oref fethu mina oref yona into engihlezi ke worried ngayo ukuthi bas disappointa kakhulu oref eSouth Africa yabona khona kuma cup bas disappointa kakhulu so mina ngingasho ngithi even a previous one banikwa fethu yabo but ke ngeke size sigxile kulokho kakhulu but oref fethu ngiyakhala ngabo fethu yabona banikwa mfethu yabona khona la khona unkotha abamshanga eChalk Slam kanje uMegwell amshanga eChalk Slam kwathiwa hayi ube ngaye eduze kokuyokora ingakho enganikezwanga red card akusho lutho lokho it was a dangerous play leyana kwakufanele ukuthi kube red card sabuka futhi incident la khona umfukeng bembamba ngemuva wangayibeka ipenalty kodwa iKaizer yaba ne soft penalty wayibeka ipenalty yabo I think leya game leyana it was more cooked angi-enjoyanga kakhulu indlela oref labenza ngayo and I believe even ngisho ingaba khona iVAR basengayenza le nto ikhona iVAR sikubonile kwiAFCON khona ukuthi iVAR bangayishaya indiva benze ngalendlela bafuna ukwenza ngayo hayi ngiworried kakhulu ngoref lebethu eSouth Africa fethu ngiyakhala ngikhalisa kwethu ukacoach wethu banqoba mnqithi ubukile nje nathi egameni besikade siyidlala fethu ukuthi sidlala against oba bona futhi yabo so ngiyakhala kakhulu mfethu ngorefli I believe ukuthi kwiNedbank Cup if bengasizwanga ocoach ngeke baze balunge mfethu Nedbank Cup ngeke baze balunge kuyona.
And then Mr. Siyakwi Mamelodi Sundowns abekade be number 2 singena kwi like the second half of the season manje sebe number 1. How do you think they're going to perform? uKadoso siyazi ukuthi he's under a lot of pressure njengamanje. He's under a lot of pressure. Sibabonile futhi nabadlali kwigame yabo yokugcina. They were not happy. They went to an extent ukuthi bebize elinye igama lomunye coach okucoach abamfunayo. You know, do you think that's good for a team?
I don't think kuhle fethu for a team. Ngingasho ngithi nami ngiyakhala basheshe bamdedela uRulani yabo. Lalilihle kakhulu ibhola lakhe fethu. Sabona ukuthi even ngisho national team wayisiza uRulani. I-national team itself wayisiza bakwase kungathi bacoach abo2 ibafana beno Hugo Bruce babeze babanga ama players ngiyakhumbula akhale ngokuthi ama players abawajimisi kahle bayawalimaza mabawajimisi kwase kungazi ukuthi nayo coach ibafana and babebamisene. So I believe ukukholelo kakhulu kwakhe kwama local players uRulani kwenza ibhola le South Africa lanyuka kakhulu, of which into esidingayo leyo ukuthi kube khona i-team ekholelwayo kuma local players. Lokho kwenza ukuthi ngisho noma sekuthiwa kune collab kubafana bakwazi ukuthi baphike kuleyo team kakhulu. Sikubonile kwenzeka na kwiPirates na kwiSundowns, sikubonile kwenzeka Privilege, but kulokhu akuzakwazanga ukuthi kwenzeke. Kushayile abantu abaningi kade bekhala ngakho ukuthi hawu iSundowns yabona ukuthi njengoba ingasadominatile kakhulu kubafana asaperform kahle, futhi kwakuyinto enhle kakhulu yenziwe uRulani. So njengamanje uKadoso kunzima kuyena, ubamba uyayeka, uyambona nawe ubamba uyayeka yabo. So I believe ukuthi angeke ngize ngimnikeze credit ukuthi khona igap angayishiya ku-PSL ku-league title, ngeke azayishiya igap, uzohlezi on and off kanje. Akasiyena umuntu engamnikeza credit ukuthi khona igap azoyishiya, ngeke.
At the end of the season, are they taking their 9th cup league title? Noma ngeke be
hayi nakamhlola ngawila ngalicoshwe inkukhu, ngeke azayithola league kulokho. Angeke yabona le iyona chance yokuthi ama team ayithathe league, angeke azayithole. Kunzima kakhulu ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi ayithathe league, abekho consistent kakhulu laba bantu labayana. Ngisho bangadlala nanoma iyiphi team PSL angeke uzokuguarantee ukuthi bazowina. Abafana le Sundowns endala, iSundowns ubuwazi ukuthi awubuyi kuyona yabo. Manje Sundowns uyidlale noPolokwane sithi ubone ukuthi kunzima banjwe kuyayekwa yabo. So nje angibaniki i-league title, ngeke baze bayithole enhlobo.
Kodwa when it comes to other cups, do you think they will be able to perform? Because as the Sundowns, when it comes to domestic cups, they don't really perform that well. Gisha figure we final last season, Bashawa Makes Sebegui final. So do you think ukuthi they can be able to improve this season because ukuthi be performing and at least get the since
kusele angithi Pirates sithi ukuqoqa kusele iNetbank kusele iNetbank
iNetbank, and then calling imani
I think isidlalile calling.
Oh yes,
iqoqiwe njengoba ngisho ukuthi khona abaqoqayo
yabo
iqoqiwe.
So iNetbank SL,
yeah.
Do you think bengakwazi ukuthi behlithi Orlando iKaizer Chiefs?
Hayi ngeke, angibaboni ngeke baze bayithathe iNetbank Cup, angibaboni beyithathe iNetbank Cup. Bane pressure eningi because banamagame amaningi efanele badlale. Ukhumbula ukuthi kumele badlale iCAF, kumele badlale iLeague, so na iNetbank. So kule squad abanaso, I don't think bangakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza into njengaleyo. Kunzima kakhulu. iSundowns ubukwazi ukuthi ibe nezikwati ezimbili. So njengamanje ngisho isquad sokuqala sawo uyabona ukuthi siya struggleisha, sikho consistency. So angibaniki iNetbank.
Sesiyakweza zakho ke manje. Smile.
Hayi
Orlando Pirates. Oh,
sengiqembukile
zabuka. Orlando Pirates. Pirates is a performance in the season. Sesibonile the first half of the season, they were number 1, even though they had a game in hand, but they still maintained a position at number 1.
iPirates engakusho kuma signings ayo, yabona ihlezi inkinga lento yokuthi ucoach afuna ukuthi ayibonakalise ukuthi ublind kangakanani ngokuthi afune ukuthatha abadlali from i-team abekade ecoacha before khona kuzocaca ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe lo. Iyashayana lonto ibashaye lo coach abaningi ukuthi if into ingafile ungayifix, but ke kulokhu labadlali abasanile ubasayine ngoba bebadinga. Sokhumbula phela ukuthi uMbokazi uhambile ngithi yeah, so beyidinga i-defender, but I'm worried ukuthi unomkhoba ukuthi umdlali mangabe efike naye abe ne-favoritism. Kukhaliwe kakhulu ngalomjida umtajelo ukuthi umtajelwa indlela amdlalisa ngayo sometimes ukamdlalisa noma sengasafanele aliqinisa ikhanda ngoba ephiya ngokuthi wafika naye. Akusiyena ke yedwa uzubona ngempela ukuthi lento lena iqiniso kangakanani. Kunomjito obedlala u2 obegqoka u2 obedlala u right back kuzoba khona uMoriko obedlala e defensive midfield lo Machida lawo o2 owadlalisa emagemini okuqala yadliwa iPirates amagame awu2 and njengamanje ubhizi nomtajelwa umdlalisa ngenkani ngisho ngathiwa sekuyi water break uyasala dlala umtajela egroundini yabo nje wade ivalile nje kade kudlala iAfcon ubedlala umtajela egroundini yabo umuntu nje amdlalisa ngenkani ngalendlela ukuthi ngisho noma sengasadlala uyadlala ama umbuza athi kusho coach wathi angidlala yabo mina ngizodlala so labadlala abasayinile njengamanje I wish bangaperforma kahle bamprotect ucoach ukuze kungathi une favoritism uma sebadlalisa njalo because there's nothing wrong ngokudlalisa umdlali osuka ethimini obukade uyicoacha before okholelwayo kuyena there's nothing wrong with that as long as umdlali naye ezokuprotecta ngokuthi aperforme kahle phela ungabe usumdlalisa ngenkani just because wena uthi ngoba ufike nami uzodlala favoritism leyo so ngiyafisela amajiti inhlanhla la wafikile kweLorlando Pirates ukuthi aperforme kahle phela nawo akwazi ukuthi amsupport ucoach yabo yilokho nje ngikufisayo.
So are they winning the league? What can we expect in the second half of the season? Since bedlala namhlanje, what do you think we can expect from them?
Bazoyibanga ngeke ngize ngigarante ukuthi bazoyithatha kulokho league unpredictable kakhulu bona bazoyibanga at least bayibanga kulokho ayekho igap ekhona so bazoyibanga ayekho team engiyigarantayo ukuthi izothatha ileague kulokho yabo ngoba ayekho igap ekhona so it's going to be a tough call ukuthi ungathi izothatha ileague kunzima kakhulu ukuthi ungakusho lokho izobangwa nje ileague kanje I think it's going to be ileague efanayo nalama league sesikade sagcina ukuba nawo yakhumbula iCaser beyiphuca ngo last game ikade ishiya igap enkulu kuzoba ileague ethi ayifana nalawo ileague la khona ekuzodecide ngosuku lokugcina lokudlala ngiyakholelwa ukuthi sizoba neleague njengaleyo inhleke leyo league hayi league kuthiwa sebeyodlala nje abantu bawochithi isikhathi baqedela ama game vele sebeqedile cha akuzoba njalo kuloko igame ayokugcina yona game ekuzodlala wonke ama game kanye idecide ukuthi ubani othatha league of which into esikade sayigcina le South Africa sizoyibona ke kuloko.
That was it from our top 8. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Sibonga kakhulu.